See, I've got my cheater vent coming off the top, and I like to put them right up as high as possible. Now, I think they say in the instructions that you need a 2 or 3 or 4 inch piece of pipe. I like to go as high as possible. And why I like to do that is because if the drain ever backs up, you can get debris caught underneath that rubber gasket, and then it's just going to hold that gasket open and let sewer gases out. So this is the cheater vent that I used, and thanks for watching. Let me know any questions. And a cheater vent, or automatic air vent. Automatic air vents are used when the sink does not have a vent. You see this a lot in older homes where the venting just wasn't there. So you can use a cheater vent. Now just make sure it's approved cheater vent and not one of those cheap knockoff ones that you can find at hardware stores for $4 or $5 usually. But don't use the... So you can see here now I'm just putting trap adapters on them. So what I'll do is I'll just cut 2 close pieces and I'll put my 90 and my T on the trap adapters and try and keep them up there. Next what I'll do, and I didn't notice this until I was video editing, but I put the dishwasher Y in backwards. Now I like to put the dishwasher Y on the horizontal. Now it should be facing the other way so the direction of flow goes towards the T. So I'll have to fix that now. But next, I'll just get my measurement for the last bit here. And a quick tip is to turn it upside down like this when you're gluing it together, and that'll ensure that your trap adapters are straight. Instead of trying to use levels and all that, just use the bottom of the cabinet or the floor. So now that you've got that all set up, the next thing we'll try and do is connect to the vertical pipe going through the floor. So this is my vertical pipe that comes out through the floor. Now there is no P-trap below it. So what you don't want to do is put 2 P-traps on. So I know there's no P-trap below this. So that's how I know that there is no vent on this. So the first thing I like to do is add a clean out, because I know there's a crawl space below this, and having to auger this sink in the future from the crawl space sucks. So we'll put a clean out here, and it is actual code too. Well, at least where I am, it's code. So now above the clean out, I'll put a TY in, and that's where my P-trap is going to dump into. And the top of the TY will be for my cheater vent, or automatic air vent, as they're actually called. Everyone calls them cheater vents though. And what I'll do is I'll just put a test piece on there, and what that'll do is give me the vertical measurement from the trap to my sink drain assembly above it. And what you want to make sure is that you have 2 times the pipe diameter in between the P-trap and the T that it's discharging into. So you can see I had to turn it over a bit so I could get my 3 inches. It's 1.5 inch pipe, so I need 3 inches of pipe in between. And what that's for is so the sink doesn't siphon itself. It's getting a little dark here. Bear with me, it's coming back. I was trying to do the union P-trap up while holding a camera, so that didn't work so well. So you'll see here, I'll glue my P-trap in. Make sure that my elbow is straight there. And then once that's ready, I can glue on my vertical section for the P-trap. Now I like union P-traps. I know some people have a problem with them. I've never had a problem with them. I like them. And I'll have to put my camera down again here just to lock this nut. So please bear with me. Okay, so now I'll get my union P-trap locked into place. I don't like to put tools on these. I just like hand tight. Now if you don't have a great grip, you can use a pair of channel locks or adjustable pliers and just get them snugged up if you need to. This is the last part here.